Yeah, man, I don't know, say I tax represent for Talkup TV 1. I don't know, the movie that you all been waiting for, Revenge Part 7. Watch out, man. Sit down, get comfortable. You understand? Tell a friend for tell a friend. Check it out. At the banger. Yigi.
Watch here, you can't set good in our place. You church out your suffer.
Oh, man, I want you, man.
Be a light, that you fi know.
You done called off the place already and say you have to run off over yourself. So what you wake me up for?
What you mean say me wake you up for? In your fear alone. You know what? As a matter of fact.
Yo.
You watch me and you in a today. Cause
Yo,
me know why you
God,
go like say you want to give me no talking in here, no, because me no in nothing with you, you know. Every move me but me foot by you in a place. Watch what me I go do now.
You know what time I got on my bed last night?
That not have nothing to do with me.
Eh? After 3, me got on my bed, you know.
That not have nothing to do with me coming like you this. You see that little circle here? Stand up. You see that little circle? You see this little circle here?
What is for me now, father?
For you now, father. What is for me now, father? When they give me money, they ask what? What is for your father?
What could have caused all of this now? What is that for? What am I sitting here for?
You soon find out.
Eh?
You soon find out.
What am I sitting here for?
Well, I tell her I'm nervous to go on the side of Shane and my friend, you know. I went.
You see this little circle here? You stay in your little circle and me stay in my room. And that me I tell you. That me I tell you, stay in your little circle. Stay in your little circle, that.
I tell her, I don't even know what to do because Shane is a woman, you know, me boy, you know, want to hear nothing about them, they sick there, you know. Oh my God. Brave up myself and go on there, man.
Hello, Kino.
You see, man, you don't look one girl make you go on, so.
You can't go on chat.
Eh?
They go off. She a no one, she a off.
Come on, where you go? But miserable now.
Shana! Shana! Wagwan! Aye! But when me fi come check you? Wagwan!
It's blow you too early.
Wagwan, mama?
What?
Boy, me a tell her
You
from
know say
when?
me a come check.
From when me fi come check you, man? Where you going with?
Boy, you know say me a try take it easy. You know say not easy for me side, but you know me a tough out here.
Shana, you know what I'm saying? I a good friend.
How you they come with now?
Me nah lie, me a
No
say,
bother, you
fi
me no
give
like
my
how you...
chance.
Can't believe
Yeah, man, we know, see, you can go come put in the work for me, you know. Yeah, man, I tap you in general, man, I mean.
Me and your good friend and we are come from far. Me no want to disrespect you and then look away
No, man.
because of this.
You know, I'm going to go now week. I see if it could have worked out.
Then Kashapa, not sure me and your good friend for a long time. Me no run you out of me yard, you know, that me I tell you, no, don't come back to me with them there something there again, Kashapa. Watch ya.
Yo, give a talk, my father, man.
Yeah, man.
Give him a talk.
Just do it right, you know, my G. You see it?
No, man. Yeah,
And
beg
go
for
on
him.
in, man. Yo, you see, you know, you're not easy. I
Give him a
tell you,
chance,
friend
man.
Kashapa, because I don't really want to tell you
I have
certain
to beg
things,
for
you know.
a good boy, no, man.
You see, as a good friend between me and you, I don't want you to come back around and they come beg no chance for you. You hear me? I say Kashapa, because I don't want me and your friendship to fall out. So just make it right now. Me no business with nothing. Anything for you, make it happen. Me no business with nothing right now. But that's how I go do my thing. I go ready and go about my business.
Yo, my G, you know, look good.
What you say? Look good. Alright, my friend.
I wonder if you hear what I say.
Yeah. Around me. Don't touch me. That will hold you. Don't touch me when time you see me. Out of that bright old shell.
This is what make you keep me on my seat, man. Oh, yeah, I go.
So you keep on this one. About my business.
Shit. Can't start right now, man. Cramp up in a virgin. Man. I want to find out something right now. I have to go call my Virgin Cash Park right now. And man tell me say everything good start right now. Be able to skip me on my seat. I don't know what go on. Cash Park I call right now. Cramp up right now, yo.
If you do have enough credit, please hang up and try making your call later.
Brittany. What are you doing, man? Brittany! That's not easy, you know. I'm trying to call note. I will be right back. Don't go anywhere. It's not easy, you know. And she knows, say, I want to go up on the road and check out what I want. And she left a note. Because she don't want me to go up on the road, you know. But anyway, that's good for me still. I set the phone in the car. At least we can get an hour sleep. Can't believe what going on. Here what going on, a beer sadness reach me. You know. I'll cash a park come like he need to put in enough work for me to start.
I'm taking for him, so stress out, what do you?
Next from there, man.
Alright, so you say, remember easy pain?
Boy, come like them a walk for me. I torment, I stress out. I don't know what to do.
Just drink some more rum, man. The easy pain here.
You want craving here to you, man.
Alright.
You ever torment in your life yet?
I mean, man.
The boy you go make a joke you.
No, yes, man. No, yes.
Alright.
Here we go.
Yeah, man, that good, man. I should have see you put the rum and put the chase up now.
Man. You can't drink your rum so fast, man. I look like a someone next drink if I say I go on.
I have to go line up too. Yo, I be a madness going on in my life, you know. Yo, I mean, like my fool sister, you know, yo. I'm like shorty, I want like a salt girl in my yard. One time I got chat to shorty, I be a problem in my life, in my yard.
Give me a call here, man, cause like it easily, right?
Short girl in my crosses, problem. What you do with Cash Park?
What go on, my general?
Yeah, man, what kind of thing that, my friend? You feel to me, I am any kind of start.
What you mean?
You signal me and tell me.
Say everything good, me feel say everything good enough, father.
No, man. Me a signal you tell you say it ain't good. I must hear you know hear what me a say, cause me a signal you tell you say it ain't good.
Yo, brother, God know my yo. Me feel say you tell me say everything good, brother.
No, man, me tell you, me another reason. Me sister she not take no talk. So me a try signal you say nothing, you know, good.
Do what me feel, brother, me a say, yeah, I'm a Virgin Cash Park, everything to me good.
God no star.
Yo, when me great mama star, I be yo, God.
Yo, me feel I hear you. God know you. But me there try show you say it ain't good still, me J.
I mean, I count for you, you know, me nigga.
Boy, she not take no talk, my father.
Alright, let's see how hurt then.
You know I go already, here?
Alright,
Alright, look come on.
yeah.
Right now, me I draw some money cause might as well me just go rent one room at one hotel and see if me can cool off my head, because I can't bother with that the boy there up yard right now. God no. Can't bother with it. So I just draw on 10 grand.
So which color you put in next?
Look here, me not put in the next color. You sure say right there you put in my hair?
Right there, me black it out.
So yeah, squeeze on my head so for this.
Edges ain't suit you really man.
Yeah, I'm so long under this Jaya, yeah. Me a drop asleep. Me never see braid Jaya and Jaya yet, you know me.
Look here, me know if you do my thing professionally, so you're not talking about it. So,
How comes me and you buck up yourself?
I don't know.
You body hey.
But me not understand how me reach here before your hair done before mine.
It no matter.
So follow where you going, so me and a friend.
No matter. Me know where you going now. Remember say you up a chop here come from you. You get sitting.
You mean by
So you
that,
smile a face so.
because I just feel like someone
No, me
feel
know
happy.
when girl something happen for girl.
Follow with your age and shit, we can't talk then something right now.
Yes, so you fi talking.
Why you want me carry business come right here?
Yes,
so
everybody business end up.
within the next 10 minutes, you hear your hair, fella?
10 minutes more.
Yeah,
Me not pay no extra, you know.
You should have dropped
I just
off.
want to know somebody think professional. So when you go out there and anybody asks who do you hear look good, it dry, look dry, not that the dry, but dry.
Alright, mama, next time you get one next cushion, cause me head no panda it good.
Just relax.
So yeah, go
Me
and
not
say
beg,
the
you know, me
woman
not
for-
beg.
You're not fair deal with the woman so far because your hair look nice.
You couldn't even have dollar your talk.
How you know that? How you know say me broke? Eh? How you know say me broke?
Anybody say they know water walk got pumpkin belly? Me know see your rent house get choppy have him up there. I first me see one girl that do so much things for it.
What you mean by rent house? Me tell us I'm an
And
auntie
you
house.
are pay rent but
I'm an auntie house.
Yeah, use that as style. Every man must have like a gift.
So
I treat
what?
him nice, luxury life, all.
Are you a problem that? Look here, that's nothing to me, man. Carry no, I can't deal with you.
Anything in there already more there again, you.
Okay, you not get them nice treatment them from
You don't know what happened to me, you know.
What you
Me
mean?
not show off and go on like you, you know.
After me not show off.
Wait till woman buck you here, Brittany. Wait till woman buck you again.
Who you chat? Big black.
I mean, you're trying to come to help you again.
Father, me not call for help, me do nothing.
You want some yummy your friend? And you pass it box food and drinks, can you give man a chang up man back? If you do you? Listen, I never buy me box food yet.
Fallon, I the man give me the money for buy the food fee. What your
That means
problem,
you're
girl?
gonna spare me, Brittany.
And my money to give people them
You're gonna
things.
spare me like a spare change, man.
The bugger answer yeah, man. You see you with us big and love your belly.
So why me love me belly, Brittany? As I eat food, I go to toilet, you know, so you can't cuss somebody no. Nobody.
Come finish me here.
You have to cuss somebody about food.
Remember the time I come down and me here call them up the pack soup?
One look
Remember
around me
the
know,
day?
Brittany, you still remember that?
Some of them must remember it. Oh, take you, you know. I can't done now, you know.
Yeah, come, guys, eat hot and there, so me. Good now. Come stay.
This is you, girl. Get up. And spring can blow.
The edges them?
So I want the cock off.
Brittany, if you're not no good for son, that's not Brittany.
Look here. Go on there, man.
It's still good, yeah. And listen to her.
Okay.
I know your friend bad man.
Brandy.
So you're still stressed out, you know. Yeah, man, brandy. Only brandy you drink.
Yeah, man, brandy, man.
Yeah,
Good
man.
for your heart, you know, man. Alright, later. Here, bartender.
Pick up yourself.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man.
Take it easy, you know.
Yeah, man, you know I got, man. You go link up again, man. Know
Yeah, man,
yourself,
alright.
man. Here.
Here say I'm mine, man, true.
Girl, me not mind no man. That girl just
Sure.
love mind people business and that with her.
What are the jackpot?
Well, if you're a man, you know, no sense. No name sense.
Look here. You come to do me here, not come to mind my business, you hear?
But you don't come in here.
The blue come out of me here.
You can't cut me.
The blue come out of me here.
Yeah, come out completely. How you want me to do it?
How you look so? You can't, how you look so?
I see your time, girl.
I can't catch up in a one before somebody come in here and see how my head can. Come, do something about it, please. You never catch me like you said until we're in.
How you want to catch up yourself in the back?
Just catch it up in it, because I don't need nothing fancy right here now. Anything.
Okay.
Brittany! Jesus Christ, I can't believe you don't come back and no man. What can I style, man? Brittany! You better go watch my face, you know. Shut up.
Can I get two pork over and cheese and 2 boxes, please?
See one over there, so there. Look now, sit there. What come over here, so now? Okay, a saltfish one this morning. Hello? Yeah. Remember if you dry, come that way, yeah, you know. Who the heck in a brown man? Watch out. You will go for that one there. Who the next one? See the next one side right there, so there.
See, I can't come in at all.
Come and drag it over here, so. My God Almighty. But you're a man too, you're no man. You're handicapped, man, you're handicapped.
Your face down right now, man.
What do you mean face? Watch out, watch out.
You know, I'm coming to the street and I'm just out to the street and I'm putting it.
Pick the Aki them.
You like it Aki
She
already?
Aki can't cook.
What you mean?
Take up the stick and pick this up them now.
You know, I'm just out to the street and broke my foot, you know.
She Aki can't cook. Oh. Watch out. You look like a... I got my phone for. Sure. Hello.
Ayata?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell me now what happened.
But the way you answer your phone now, I'm going to call him. First time I could get you.
I did run a back. I did do something.
I want to go and check up on you because I'm there to see me do some work. You know what I think?
You good?
Good what? For you gone, I have no money, I get no money. You say I send money. You come and call me and ask me good.
You're going to get money, man.
I worry myself, yeah.
Soon get money. Just go and do some work and just send somebody come give you.
So you say?
Alright, but I just check for yourself, but just soon get money.
Yeah, check for me. Alright,
Yeah,
do your
man.
thing.
Alright.
Yeah.
They come in.
Later.
Alright, take care of yourself.
Same to you.
Like how you man, they on the phone, you know.
So what? What?
You know, I don't understand. You take me fool, you know.
Wait, let me take you for fool with
I mean, I eat that.
Let me take you for fool with you. Chappy alone and can't clap. So if you're and not coming, you can't make no sound. Can't make no sound. You not clap and him not clap. See ya?
When they say you want money, I mean, go, they go work money can't come here, you know.
Nobody already talk. They don't know say Chappy are my man already. Some don't know what you want come take over and
I
come
Chappy that pick Aki.
So, are you there here, you for pick it? If him did there, him would have pick it. Where you come talk to me for? No come talk to me. No come make no noise on my ears.
Boy, you see
I'm
no
broke
man.
and stress.
What you mean broke and stress? Every time you say you want money in a yata, you go work hard and carry money come give you know. What else me fi do?
Who you work hard for?
What you mean no you?
Who you work hard for? You don't work that hard for me.
You is a wicked woman, you know.
Yes, you wicked too.
You're heartless, you know. You're not heart, you know.
Because you take a choppy bicycle and I know say you take
Me
it away.
take a choppy bicycle. No,
And
not about the
take it
bicycle.
away. Me know you know.
Not time, no about the
Me don't want to
bicycle.
know what you're talking. You say if you go load up your mouth, you need to go on by your ears. Grab your bag and cut. If you don't want no talking in your so, you need to go. That me I make you know. Come give me no talking and place.
So all of my working time, I just have to tell me say.
So what you want? What you want?
Eh?
What you want? You want me to take back your working time and give you? You need to leave.
Yo. Yeah, you know, say, I saw you argue sometimes.
Let go for me. No,
Easy,
come.
man.
Now, one ball me. Listen. Me I make a phone call. Me
no,
not
man,
time
no.
for you.
Money are coming. Money are coming.
Money?
Me
No, tell me no.
Easy. What you know?
How much money? How much money?
What 50,000, you know?
Oh,
you mean,
where you get 50,000 from?
No, same thing me as I tell about, man. Same client thing there.
Every day you come to me about the same thing.
No, say you know say tomorrow.
So much, alright, how much me I get out of the 50,000?
Where you say that? You soon get knocked, that me I tell you. You come?
Yes.
And all of me I see me I wake up and job I say. What you carry?
Cookie bread and cheese.
Cookie bread and cheese. No, we take that one.
No, the one.
I like that one.
But I don't like it pineapple.
Oh, me like that one more.
Alright, you take the one, you take that then. So what going?
You go there, I thought.
Yeah, I told me go. I was trying to take it then. So what going? You good?
Like when you feel one same way. Yeah, me good man, just much long wake up back and go wash my face.
You said I could get a style, eh? Huh?
Home here man.
You could get something stay in there bag and eat you there.
Don't you make it stay in there. So Brittany. You never say yes that here last night. You have some little thing in night.
Me know. Me got my friend. Make sure dye out your back black and stuff and just do one quick ketchup, that's all.
Look nice though.
Thank you. So you can't spend a day together.
Spend a day.
Yeah.
I'm trying to go up on the road still and go see what I go on.
For a reason. We done there already, we just spend a day together.
Better me do it today, one tomorrow. One take my time and go peep and see what I go on.
You can't leave that for tomorrow, man. Stop going so.
Tomorrow. Yeah. So, I go spend the day in the house.
Look here, we can go up on the roof.
Up on the roof.
Yo,
So then come now.
Come on. You know what I'm saying, you know? Hey. Put that in and put that on a shirt.
For what?
Yes, sir.
Stand up on the roof here go. So, see, I go.
One. The beat ready? No.
Oh, just like my face.
Sit underpants, sit pants. Come on. Come on, man. Yeah, what kind of book because people ain't pass and see, you know.
Well, like I have to observe my surroundings.
But yeah, what kind of book? What's a cool doing that? I don't know.
You see I go on now.
Yeah, go and take it easy. Let's spend the day together.
You see, always keep yourself nice. That's all the thing I like.
You know that's supposed to...
Always keep yourself nice.
I think when time I don't eat me, I go back down. Maybe we can watch something from my phone or, you know, romantic movie or, you know, something like that. So you're going to have fun going so far?
But the way you curse me yourself, you know, force me to laugh.
Listen. I just found a brand new phone. It has a password on it. It could be 1234 or 3456 or 11. I do not know the password, but I can sell it for 50,000. And if you have 25,000, I take 25,000. If you have 10,000, I would take 10,000 and you owe me 5,000. And I would even take 5,000 if you did last money you have. Okay? I would do that. I would definitely do that. Okay. So what is the best price you can do for it?
John no star, God know you. All them time I have babes out there sign up. Alone up on the beach and out to Bombasta. Right now man, stress out.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Not bad.
I was just sitting over there and I see you and I was like, what a nice lady you are, you know.
You're supposed to see me because you have eyes, so
Are
you can't
sure?
leave now.
You know, I was curious, you know. I have this phone.
Sir, excuse me, I'm not
just give me 1 minute, just give me 1 minute. I promise it would be worth it, okay? I would like to sell you a phone.
You have phone already.
No, but I see you with money and look, I will sell it cheap. Just
so
look
you
at
sit
it.
down and watch out my business.
No, I didn't see you with no money. I didn't see you.
Sir, I don't need any phone.
Okay.
I don't need any phone. Excuse me now.
I would like to sell you something though. Okay, wait.
I want to the money come like you want me to take it and lick him in the head.
No, you can't do that. You can't do
Let me go. Let me go. Please.
Oh, sir, wait. This can't real. What don't share none of that? How the boy they try though? Alright, my boy they try rap share. I'm in the right, yes sir. What the boy the man? What the
Give me my bag, stage and go stage. If you can find him, lick him. Get him. Wale, give me my bag. Wale, mama. Give me my bag. Give me my bag. Give me my bag.
Grab me back.
Give me my bag.
Grab me back.
Why? And I'm leg on my foot.
Alright, sorry babe, sorry.
Run him down. So, I really made do all of this one.
Yes, me do anything for you, man. I pass me the pass and see boy they grab you up, you know.
So you feel like say all of this what you do right now I gonna make me take you back?
Chance, man.
Beg
You see that
chance.
what me do for you? Me do anything at all for you. See ocean them. Find a moon cherry tree them man. Me go up, I go pick it for you, man. But boy this man, what do man? Instant death, man. What do man? Me do anything for you, babes, man. And that's why me I tell you from where they say, yo, me sorry, man. I have to just easy, man. And just remove all and tape what you put in your house, babes, man.
Look on your foot them or your foot them dirty pan beach side. When everything
that,
nice
babes,
with me
man,
and you know your
beach
foot
them,
them no look so you know.
I know that,
Your
babes,
foot
but
them
you
no
don't
look so.
You don't know. You just don't know, man. Because you stress me out.
Me a stress you out. And you
see me?
stress
You
out
won't
my brain.
give me a chance, you see me?
I just say reach
I
now.
mean, man, me deserve a chance, man. You can't deal with me, so, man. Can't deal with me, so.
You know what? Me
Can't
appreciate
deal with
what you do for me a while ago, you know, but I feel like say me forgive you. Don't feel like me forgive you.
Man. Me I beg
so
you a
listen,
chance.
because
I
me appreciate what you do for me.
Rate you, me I beg you a chance, you know. You know,
Yeah,
to
you want me to say, I'm just change my mind right now, you know.
No, what you
Because me
talk about?
appreciate what you do for me a while ago.
Yeah, man,
just
man.
clean up yourself, fix up your foot and just make you left right. And don't feel like
Who go
me
fix
forgive
them
you.
up for me? You know,
Don't
run
feel
gone left.
like me forgive you.
Who go fix
Get
them up
your
for me?
slippers them and
Eh?
something and come make we leave from over here. So and it's only because me
Hold up,
appreciate
hold on
what you
there,
do for
cause
me
I
a
know you
while
just
ago.
talking. You know it's easy.
So you go lucky?
Let's see how going now.
They're gonna take it easy. Be boring. Go put on that right this.
What plan to do?
Just out there and chill and, you know, so we can find something to do.
Yeah,
Go play one game or something.
What kind of game?
Simon Says or Truth? No, Truth or Dare.
Simon Says so nice, you know. But
Truth or Dare.
No problem.
So, we'll go first.
Well.
Alright.
You go first.
Me ask you. Truth or Dare?
Truth or Dare?
You know.
But yes.
You know, so you don't play a game. Me say Truth or Dare. You say that you're going to say Truth or you're going to say Dare. Which one of them?
Okay, alright then.
Which one of them I want? Truth or Dare?
Dare.
Dare? You chose the wrong one.
You chose the wrong one? No, but a Dare. Dare more better for me.
I'm not going to, alright. You're not going to reach a spicy part yet. Which I does, alright, the calm part this year.
This year?
To rub my feet.
This year?
That's just rub my foot then, yeah. You know, reach a spicy part. You can't remember to get spicy part and nothing normal, so come rub my foot then.
I take off his socks?
No, you can't rub with the socks on.
What's the socks and body, man? Better take off his socks.
Yeah, this, you know. Watch it. I said, you come back to kiss me too.
Alright, load that alone. No, find a different game.
Alright. No, same game. Your turn now.
Alright, look, now the game thing. I'm in a game thing right now. That's something for you, sir.
Alright, what that?
The way you behaved last night.
If I never that, gotta finish busy come here.
Tell you. You know sex family I left.
I did that with your pants still, I'm not tell no lie.
Well, as I can see, I tell you, I never firm when you grow, you hold to me.
Yeah, put on
it's like me have a whole meditation, I tell you, the way you deal with me. You know?
God. Look where you choose to go and talk about now.
It's like, the way you just do your thing, it's like me one day in my mind, I say, no, sir. If you do it, you don't do it.
If me did it, I not behave like that. You move shaky.
Suppose me never come back.
You have to come back. We did know that. You did have to come back. You did have to come back. No,
because you did everything that you pour to get me back, and that's my problem.
Yeah. So, you're going to say I want bad thing that...
Never say I want bad thing for the start. Just for the starting back is a good thing.
Okay. So, you're not giving me something, my dear, my truth or something like that.
Alright. Truth or dare?
Dear, of course.
I dare you to give me a massage.
No, you can't do the same thing with me, do. Me ask the massage, you ask no, you have to choose something else.
Shoulder.
No.
Massage.
Come, lie down.
Oh,
you're
yeah.
Big, you're big back broad like.
Nah, I like this one, I feel good. Hey. I miss those days.
You miss those days?
Yeah.
So if I miss you, why you never just go back to those days and just pray such person? Huh?
You all make mistake in about.
Yeah, but right, so a mistake I make no go do that the girl there. You shouldn't leave in the first place.
Yes, man. You see a Superman in something there.
Well, to be honest, it sounds like say me gonna get one chance. Yes, you like how that sound?
Yeah.
Well, I think I'm going to the bathroom and I'll go, you know. I'm going to the bathroom, go do something.
What you going to do?
Not yourself about that. But I'm going to want to join me. So when I hear the shower turn on, I'm going to want to come in there. Because you know, so you're not beat it and I can help you wash your back, see you. So, I'm going to hear the shower turn on. You just forward.
Alright. Yeah.
Next thing. Yes, you like last night. You're going to even love this more. So don't worry yourself. Remember saying now when I hear your water turn on, the time that you forward. Chappie. Come on, you move so slow.
Wow. Wow. That's a good look.
Thank you.
Just what I've been looking for.
Oh, yeah?
I asked God to send me a second hand and a helping hand. And it look like a you.
Well, nothing wrong with that, you know.
Alright. You see here alone?
Yeah, I'm here alone.
You shopping by yourself?
Shopping by myself.
Like you just learned.
Yeah, a few months. I'm here.
So them are real?
I mean, a real thing, them. When I deal with fake, my friend.
Right.
You know what I mean? Straight from Toronto, I come from, you know.
Oh. So you're not looking a wife?
Well, I'm just looking and I want a decent girl in my life, but it's like, I can't find
Well, I
none.
can adjust, you know.
Yeah, that's fine with me.
So what is your name?
You call me Apache Cat, you know.
Apache Cat? So
Yeah.
like you have an Apache briefcase.
Well, you have to call it so, you know.
Wow. Like you like gold just like me.
So I guess we have something in common then.
Everything you look like.
So when I'm saying
You have lots of groceries in there.
Oh, definitely.
Same stuff I would like to.
Let me ask you a
Yes, you have everything all inclusive.
Yeah.
Right.
So
What you want to hear?
So who you live with?
It doesn't matter. Worry
Doesn't
about
matter.
that.
Okay, that's fine. Well, me live by myself for the time being out
Yes.
here. Yeah, so
So when you're leaving?
next
When
2
did you get
weeks.
here?
1 month I reach here.
You've been here so long and I just meeting you?
Well, that's not before the time.
True.
So we get to meet each other now. We could have a close friendship, and if you like.
You stay good. Me I wonder how your pocket stay.
Pocket.
Pocket front it.
That's time your pocket. If me like you, we can go out and have dinner.
Already you give me money.
No, Sam. Give me your money. I'm here.
I
That's
say you
cool,
stay,
man.
I say you go and
So me I go and but me tell me could go to dinner and get to know you. So that's I saw no Jamaican no man stay out here.
Jamaican, it no matter what someone asks the money, so you have a problem.
No, say ask the money, but we
So
can't
you
go
want
grab
a sweet
dinner.
talk if you have sweet money.
No, but it's me could go.
Put your money where your mouth there.
I try to tell you a joke, man.
Put your money where your mouth there.
Man.
Should even tap in.
Yeah.
But that's how you could broke pocket to, you know, and you walk and I supermarket and pick up a little one man grocery them in a chally. Because when people come from foreign, a big chally miss and take up and walk with. You can't go.
Tired right now. Judge. God. Right now, me I wonder why Chappie have to come back a yard, you know. God, no, me I wonder why Chappie have to come back a yard. If he ain't come back a yard, that time to about the bicycle, you know. Me I'm dead if you want to look at this bicycle, you know. She not even know. Chappie come back a yard and I go on away. Me give me last 10,000, alright, now me not will have no more. Look for it if you come in, you not even come in. Right now, man, pocket fracture right now, you know. I swear. Fracture, man. Fracture. Right now, it's not happen still, so not happen today. Happen, I swear. Cha-cha.
want to deal with General? Why, John, you know, say a little par, I come link, you see him little par coming to me on the farm there.
Yeah.
John no star. You know, so boy, the man check me for money when I work with you, brother. And you want a man to move fast, brother. The man move fast, brother. The man have problem down the yard, brother.
Yeah.
I swear, yeah, man, the man have problem down there because big man level. After me see man take him money and walk off, the man nearly walking all vehicle, brother.
Why? I'm not hear nothing funny, me no. Nah, man, something I go on the man.
I have to tell the man, say, yo, watch your road, brother. But you want to know, it's a good virgin, you see me? And John, when you don't like them youth, the staff go find themselves and put themselves in a trouble, and a good youth them towards what I see. They youth, they work hard. You see me, I say me general. So John no star. More you check up on him and see if you see him star and find out if there's nothing wrong with the virgin. You see me, I say?
I give him a page. That's what I'm up to. You understand? Because I don't want to know what's getting himself in trouble. You understand?
Just do that for me, see? I'm really need this strength. You see me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You tell me, brother.
All right. No respect.
Bombard. How the boy like saying a piece of food, so? You have, you know? You know, say me a force me to see one shoes like that. No sign like you have it, man. Hey boy. Yo.
Yo.
Ease yourself, man. I want you. Give me everything we have.
Brother, I'm forget everything what I have and I don't know you, brother.
Give me all the hat to no man.
Brother, but I don't know you. You take off me at the party.
Yo, you say easy yourself.
Easy myself, party. Me feel easy, I don't know you, party. Why I don't know you?
Yo, drop in eyes. Hush up.
Anything else? Boss, you no kill me. Do, boss, no kill me. Please, me I beg you for my life, boss. No kill me, boss. Boss, you know, if you deal with me, so boss. Boss, me no know. Just when you come on and deal with me, dog.
Boy, Mr. Don't look at my face. Ease yourself. Yo, how can I size your shoes? How can I size this?
11, boss.
11. Mr. Don't look at my face.
I look at your face, boss.
Boy, you say if I my size, take it, you know.
Hey, boss, just give me a chance, boss. Save my life and give me a chance.
One. Hey, boy, if I look at boy, if I look at me, kill you, you know. Boy, look, you know.
Yeah, come on, there, too, man.
I don't realize I'm happy. He's a sharp hero on the back. Oh, Jesus, watch Farid.
You see a very big part on him? You're late.
That's nice. And I want you in. Hey. Put on a piece of here. Most of the chopping, I'm not telling a lie, but you love the one shot, I'm not telling a lie, God know. Yeah, the shots there, you come like say to one of best
Oh, yourself, man, I best shots. You have something you love yet?
One of best friend.
You have something you love?
But I don't understand. For me, I feel shots kind of look matching. I'm not telling a lie. Shots and shots, team, color jeans. You know, see? There's a year, can you hear?
I love you, man, here, though.
Eh?
I love you, man, here, so.
You feel much better than the plastic one.
See a plastic here, though?
Yeah, never know that.
No, sir, but I'm not studying something there. I don't know if you should read Irish in a plastic. I try to make it.
I don't know what I'm going to do here.
I'm getting a comb out before you apply to it.
I'm not time for that. I'm just on the hot pan head, so I need to do all of that.
Alright.
You're not going to really sure.
Anyway, I'm going to my place to see what I'm going on. I want to see me catch a boy and bust up in your face, you know.
Alright then. Well, I'm going to be careful.
Yeah, man.
Because the girl then that the boy, I'm not trust them.
Don't worry about that, man. I know if you're hungry, man.
You know if you're hungry?
What do you mean?
I say 2 pounds and 2 pounds, I'm not really.
Oh, you know me dangerous already.
Dangerous. Alright, I'm going to say dangerous. But I still have to be careful.
Yeah, man. I'll look out for food before I go on anyway.
Alright then.
Yeah, man. Take care of yourself, yeah?
I tell man to go hug.
Come to you, man.
God no. Come on, man. Stop going so.
Alright. Come here.
See you later.
Watch yourself, you hear that?
Yeah. Not the one thing girl is gonna get himself no problem. Cause I'm just get him back. And that the girl there, dirty foot girl I don't trust her. And that the brown boy there. And I can't bother if I go here say him get locked up and see me down a police station if I bail him and one bag of something. Cause I can't bother if I face no liar and no judge right now. I can't bother with that. Oh. Her back on go on the road there. See what can go on. And then what side I do it because I had to wear. Alright. I'm good at put on this here. I'm gonna feel chilly outside. Put on this out it. Is it up? Alright. Am I ready? I'm gonna do something I can stay by the way until I come back.
I tell you the truth, you know. Right, the phone, that I want a good phone, I tell you the truth, you know, right now. I have to want a phone, you know. Right now, I know my factory reset the phone right now. Because she not say no to phone. You know, it's a long time I want a phone like this. Alright. You know, I'm buying my good phone. You can't say I get one good phone, you know.
Ayata! Where you gonna call me for? Hey, tap there. Tap there. Tap there. Let me tell you something. I have something on my mind and I have to tap it right there, so. Right now. Listen. For me take you up here so not now go on. Every day you give me stories say you gonna get money, you gonna get money. Listen to me now. My thing say it end. Your time up. It done. Listen to me. Nobody even say nothing. I have something for you. Hold on, me soon come. Just stand up. Me say just stand up.
No,
right.
move further,
Not, no move. Just stand up here, son of man. Me I come. Wait. Me I come to you.
I don't know why I was miserable saying Ayata. I swear to God.
Well, pack you already, Papa. Excuse you. You say all this. Pack everything we have for you. In it. You needs to go. Done. Me nah have no time for this. So, waste of time. Yeah,
you just
go on by your ways.
See phone here, you know.
What kind of phone? Where you get that
You don't
from?
tell me say you want one phone and buy one phone today.
What kind of phone?
I mean, you know, can't do what you want to do.
Nice
Sell money to you know.
Give me the money, man.
No, man. You come like a money you love me for, you know.
Money? Come, let me see it.
No, man. You just act like a dog. I want to know you want my money.
Then you not go on with it. Give me the money.
I truly love you, you know.
Give me the money, me say. Where you get this from?
No worry about that, man. I think come
true, man. But you don't know something I forgot part. I want to you. Come in at this.
So you can go to a nice dinner now, out on the road.
Come. Money? No more, so that me like. Boyfriend like money, yes. I like, I have party to go, I have clothes to buy. You see this phone here, where you get this from?
Yeah, me, man.
Wow, Samsung, nice.
Nice phone, you know.
So yes, sir, we are going to eat something?
I mean, you can go eat something, yes.
Alright. Let me get some spray, because I'm done this beer up and something. You good? What you want?
Get some spray, then it'll smell nice.
Alright, take some.
I should have more than this here, you know.
Go on, boy, your business, you.
Well, I tell you line, I tell you good, you know.
Come there, look at it. Come on and go for talk. Take that from me, man. Sure. Take off the key. Go on. Me not like left in my house.
Some can't get a hug.
Me not like nobody with no huggy. Go on, man. Sure. Hold up the place. So wait. Yeah, Papi sure what you do with 2 watts for your head?
You know,
And
see
you
if tell
watch your
me.
buy?
You know, see if tell me. Oh, you mean if I knew what tag no pop off yet?
Alright, go put up.
See a pole, you're blind.
Go put on the something, man. Come like you have Papi sure. Just hook up on me, so. I don't want me to check all the morning. Lobster patty.
You can't get it, man.
Yeah. Thank you. Where's the real? Yeah. Lobster patty me want, you know. Lobster patty me want to eat.
I want chicken patty more, you know.
I don't want chicken patty.
I don't want a lobster.
Lobster patty.
I don't want, you know. I don't want.
Alright, I'm going to add it. Alright, come on. Now we can't just get it, just go for my friend. So you're going to like that me? You come with me?
Do ya?
Alright. A lobster I want. Hi honey, how are you? Yeah, someone can get a lobster patty and a chicken patty please? Alright, let me get that now. What kind of juice you have? Just them there? Alright, no worry with it. Just give me the patty them here. Thanks, yeah. Alright. Cool. Can't wait for you on the patty then. Look on the man. You look so good. Eh?
Don't you say me back all that me?
Can't go make you buy one patty. You have 4 patty you buy, but
Eat little, eat long, you know.
let's see. I can buy 2 juice.
I'm not gonna buy 2 juice now.
Go buy 2 juice, man.
You forgot buy, you spending money.
All this, man. So I'm gonna buy 2 juice. I want cranberry water. Do it now. Look for me.
You get a harder something bigger than that.
Cranberry water. Cranberry water me want. I make sure say I want water you buy for yourself. No easy.
No more cranberry water. Please.
Not at all.
One cold one.
Alright.
And more one cold splash them to please and
Cold
thank you.
splash. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here you go.
Man, thank you so much.
Yeah, man. Come again. You know, so now I bring you juice. But kuya, you can't buy water, you're going to buy cranberry water and splash.
Stop going so ash, man. Oh, God.
Let me change.
Change here, you know. Right, she get back to.
You make sure say no thief none. So what you say you put behind your heels?
What's going on, man?
And the money you spend go buy that?
So don't me a working money?
No, don't do that. Don't spend my money and do that. When you give me a free, my money is not yours anymore.
So you can't spend it for me too?
No.
Right.
You don't buy one part. I should all take care of one too, you know, but yummy man, yummy.
Sometimes
you buy all the back water out of me.
Sometimes like I am rough, you know.
Then I must. What if you like? What nice dog.
But taste nice, man. Couldn't add 6 of them.
Right now, I have to do some nice for babes, you know. Because right now, babes loose up yellow tape, and right now, I'm on bed right now. Can't mess up again, you know, where I go deal with now, you have to think about sitting, you know. Boy, babes take long for ready do, man. At least we are go up on the road still, but most can't think about sitting still and reach on the road.
refreshing, you know? So now is the time now, you know? Right time now. So like we live good and money I make. At good time I know. Have a perfect life.
$20,000, lot of money I make.
You know what I mean? I
When?
still money, you know?
Please, yeah.
Kind of man now right a day, you know? Ayata.
Listen, nobody come to me. Which day, a day time I give me 20,000? How long now you not give me the money I come to about 20,000? Right now, you not even know. Please, stop. But money I make. Money I wish make.
Hey, you see it, I get it, you know? I want you not get it, I complain.
Yes, I'm here, master. And I'm a party, I want you.
So you know you go later, you know? Trouble.
Me take up nice, I mean, I'll pack up back all this right now. Because my belly full right now. I'm ready to go to my yard.
So you say bed foot now brought later?
I know what happening, you know. I still tell with you, you're going to try them about the money, the same money where you give me.
No, I'm not that.
Listen.
We can't chill.
Listen.
I chill come to chill and all the vibes.
You're going to tell my friend later. Kim.
Boy.
Kim. Kim. Later, tell Kim say later, because they're on back here. Alright, love you, later here. Like God, me baby, what go on, you good? I left me, I go left, cause what the man name back money? Later. Later, me girl, later. You ready? Come on. Let's go. I'm making them up.
One belly full.
No.
Yo!
Chappy. I mean what?
What the fried up is in the truck?
Fried fish here.
That means what the fried up is in.
I want to say me a walk from.
You don't see I go on and stuff.
What?
You mean say what?
I'm tell you, babe.
You mean say what to me? So where I come from?
I run this to me.
You don't say I go on. You mean say I go on. Oh, no, listen to me. A long time, me I investigate and I have links, Harold. You tell me everything.
Me no say that you will come with one.
Not me I tell you. You, no wrong.
Me woman in not
I leave you live on me yard.
I
You know that.
live out here.
Live. You live on me yard.
You come sing close. You
Woman,
come sit down.
me know say two already behind.
Me
know there, brother.
Friend.
Your man.
No, my man.
Hey, you mean my first time we go up to the work and come down?
And what?
I hear me, yes, yeah, give me one with brown man.
Nobody with the war. Nobody with that. You know what me I take from my
If you're around with me, woman, boy. What are you doing now?
It's a dirty one. What you do around here, girl? What you do around here, girl, up there, so girl. Because your man, they up there, so fight for me. And my body, him want up. But you shut and talk up all them out. Where? Because I what brown man beat him, kill him up there. Who know? Me, my fi up there, so fight for. Where, girl? Idiot, girl.
Oh, he's not strong, man. He look like a leaf. If you go lift up this boy, yeah.
Look at him, but I nobody kill him. Please, nobody kill him. Look at him.
Oh, no, man. Yo, Lord, let me do what I do, yo. Yo, don't leave me alone, man.
Look at him, but I did please.
So what means I'm not doing nothing? You don't see the man have no man.
Oh, call help.
Can't mess up again, man. Sure, no, man. Babes take long for ready, man.
Which babes take long for ready? What you know to talk to yourself about?
You know, so I'm not telling no lie, honey. I really want to make it up back to you, and I really would want to carry something nice this evening.
I was so special about carrying me something nice. Where you go?
No, I'm just glad how you just release the yellow tape and me half I grung now. So I say,
you're lucky me let you lose,
yeah,
man.
I know I deserve a next chance, you know. Me just know, you see what I say?
Just calm down yourself, boy. You deserve a next chance. You just live on that
Me
like
ain't
say.
really mean it, you know. Me ain't really mean it, man. I swear me
You
ain't
never
mean
go
it.
say you were meaning it.
No, man. Me I
Not
tell
even
you
one
something.
member
Me
all
ain't
of what you
mean it,
do, you
man.
know.
Believe me. Hurry up, man.
And make sure you say somewhere nice you bring me. Because I don't know what kind of surprise this.
Hurry up, man. They look nice, though.
Like always, you never know say me look nice when you go out go do
Come
your
on,
thing.
man.
I smoke up me too much with the weed scent.
Feeling good, man.
Hey, Dolly! Dolly! Hey, baby. Hey, 1 minute. You know I dreamed about you last night, girl.
Really? Nick, babe,
Honey?
you just ease yourself now, me a talk.
What's wrong with this nigga?
Yo, General, you know, see me and my woman a walk, brother. I want to tell
I
my friend.
thought she was your sister, man. What's up?
Talk your talk.
Yo, I say I deal with, man.
Oh, you mean if I saw me
you
I
know
deal
this
with you?
man, yeah?
Me no need to know him.
Hey,
You
baby,
went,
hey,
look
baby,
here, no bother
don't
make me
worry,
talk
no
to things
argument
then,
with this guy. I'm talking
Say
to
yo,
you,
I
sugar
saw a
boy.
random man just ride up on you, you just...
A random
saying that
girl.
I'm random?
A random
This
girl
guy's
you did
crazy.
come up on the party, come in our
Yo,
party
you
with.
can't do me this, man.
Remember
How
it's a
this,
random.
how this you do me?
Talk your talk,
You
and
can't
me
try
listen to what
style
you
me,
say.
you know.
I was saying
You
I
hear
dreamed
somebody
about
talk
you
on
last
the
night.
Really?
Oh my god, you got this nice face teeth. Oh my god, just as I dream about. You get what I'm saying? Let me talk to you over here for a minute, baby.
Yo, my girl, how you do?
Look here, Nick, that's the time I want.
Yo, you just run down this man and you don't even know the man.
See me a run down
Eh?
man.
You don't even know the man. Eh? You don't even know the man.
You see me a run down man?
Man, all I can hug you up. Yo,
Man, this is my dolly, man. What's wrong with you?
If me never went catch your things, would I went go on. So leave me, make me
Listen
live
what I'm
my
saying,
life.
baby. I'm like gonna go get the car. So we're gonna ride this and we're gonna go get the car.
Ride
I
this?
know,
Me no like bike, you know.
I know you don't like bikes, baby.
You can park, you make me walk.
You want us to walk?
Yeah.
Really? I don't want to walk there with them crazy ass motherfuckers.
Come on, alright, let's make Nick, just take time and go on. Come on, we move fast upon this, but take time.
Okay, let's
alright.
get out of here, baby. You call the shots. I'm gonna make you my boss. Oh my God.
I want a wash, man. So dirty, man.
Dogs.
How are you going to someone? What happened to you?
Choppy. Why? Choppy down the side. Choppy down the side beat up one boy.
Chappy? Who is Chappy?
Yes. He down the side beat up one boy named Brown man.
Oh man, no bother check it out. Come on.
He come back again and kill the boy. What you gonna do? You drive or what?
I'm a drive.
Come on then, no man.
Yeah, I want service, but we have to move.
Jesus. Me say knock out the boy cool.
God.
Cool.
Come in, hurry.
I'm a silly for me boy and I fling the boy up on his shoulder like man.
Father Jesus, you don't look good, you don't look good. Which way?
So. We want better come.
Alright, we are going now.
I don't even know that man name of my youth and a boy that can take a man girl my youth. Yo, I choke babes even knowing that yo, God know, yo, right now, I'm fed up in a dog, yo. Boy can take a girl in a dog. Yo, I don't even know what to do right, yo. Yo, Jen, what you? Yo, babes come like him, you just you know you.
up now, baby?
That's something I'm going to tell you.
Let me set this good.
Park it good. Because I'm tell you, you need to park it good.
Yeah, talk to me now.
So you smile, sir.
I'm crazy about you, man.
You see, what happened up there a while ago?
That's a minor, man.
Yeah, minor, yes, but me I make you know, say, a serious thing now. A joke thing, you hear? A joke me didn't make with all of what happened a while ago. You see, it's because I want to get back at my boyfriend because he kind of really mess up on them way there. But that don't mean say me just go get up and run left him like that and jump on bike and go with you. How you feel like, say?
You know, my dream, see, me and you in a relationship. But listen, I realized that the dream wasn't a dream, it was a nightmare.
Let me tell you now, me never believe nothing what you say. You see when you tell me about your dream, from right there so me see it say you're liar because you're not prophet. You talk about your dreams to me in a red dress. Me look like me in a dress too.
Alright baby, let's not go no further. You can go back to your boyfriend in the hanky-panky and go do your bullfrog jump from banky.
That's exactly what I am
that's
going
okay.
to do. Yeah, that's
I'm
okay.
cool.
Yeah, go on, your bike nicely. Like first of all, we could.
Don't worry, baby. I got my money.
I
can do like this. And
yeah,
girls run me down.
First thing, me can't bother your belly too big. Me don't want a big belly man neither. So
okay, baby. No problem. Go on.
This just one kind of hurt me man feelings. Make me feel how I feel.
Okay.
Nobody feel too like you get me.
You're not even that good looking.
Oh God, I'm bad. Put him too. Alright, tired, you know? You have to let go. Tired, man. I don't know watch one new series.
Bumba, cuz. Look at the bad man, you look like you're hungry, man. No, man. So you want the food, yeah?
Girl, I never see you hungry. I'll feed you food, girl. Look at this.
Yeah, go food for me. Oh,
good, you know, my friend. I'm good, man.
No, man, take your food.
I'm good, baby.
Give me food, man. Give me food.
Yes.
Me really want
no, man, take him, man. We understand, man. Come, man.
Take the food, man.
Come now. You look like you're hungry, man.
No, man, I'm food,
take
man.
Take your food,
I'm
man.
good, man.
Look here. Take your food.
Good,
man.
Man.
Look like something wrong with him, man. Come, man. No,
come.
Baby, I'm good, Mr. Man.
Take your food, no, man.
Sure. Why? Why one of the...
I understand, man.
Why rough man, the young man, Come, man. What happened to him now? Come here, come. Put it down pin there, cause put it down, cause me know say look like he go eat when we gone, cause maybe I don't shame me have shame more. Alright, I hear my friend. Take care. Why are whooping good? Oh, bad man. See, I can spitefulness. Look how far me if I walk from. I'm even sorry still. But you know what, ya? I want this for, hey, Nick, why you not easy? I'm mad out?
You know, what you do yourself? I don't feel like going with the man.
You feel me going with me, man? You see how I feel? You see how I feel when you go on with yourself and me just barely go on one bike and take a stroll and you there so they mad out.
You know, I can't believe you do me that.
You can't believe, say, me do you that? What you do me that, me have to do you this? You tell me.
Can't believe you really do me that, virgin, after all of this, virgin. And I feel say everything is all good.
Nick.
This you really do me.
You know the best thing you do, it better if you get up. Because if me just jump on one bike and go right up the road and you there so mad out. Suppose me did burn your back. You're not tearing mad. Now you get up from the roadside. Get up from the roadside. And stop going like say you want mad with my name on your head. Because that would me make you mad. You have to stand firm, because me did stand firm when time you give me bun.
I can't believe it. You never know this man, virgin, and you're gone with this man.
So now you think them
loose girl, you don't even know this man and you jump on bike gone with this man.
Loose girl, me I call loose girl.
I mean,
okay, loose boy, then stay there then look for YouTube about loose girl.
Hey,
loose all along. Hey, don't touch me now. Yeah. Don't touch me, that's me I tell you about.
Sorry, man.
Sorry, where?
Sorry, man.
You need to have some manners. Watch it from yourself.
My humblest apology, man. Me sorry, man. That now go happen again, man. Me I tell you that, man.
I want it. Hey.
Me sorry, man. Please, man. Make your chance, man. This now go happen again, man. This now go happen again, man.
Kick you further down in the ground. When you go change, Nick. When you go change.
Today.
Today, you better change now. That me I tell you. You know what?
Hold on.
I'm gonna give you one chance. Stop pulling me with you. You are anxious for your chance. Let me tell you this, you know, Nick. Calm down, you know. A one chance me again. You see if you mess up this time, you mess up for good and you go mad out for real this time.
Oh man, me nah make that happen again, man. Me I tell you, man. As
Can't believe.
As God believe me, man. Me nah make that happen again.
Come on, man. Clean up yourself.
Nah make that happen again.
Yeah, man, I big up all of the viewers. Them, you know, you come to the end of the movie, and I know you all enjoyed it. So, watch out, man. Thank you all for supporting for so long. Peace, love, and respect. Look off the part 8. Yeah.